How important is Lagna? In an horoscope, Lagna does not have a direct impact like the work or like the money, or it will not have any direct impact on the event. But if the Lagna Lord is afflicted, the destiny is closed. You will never understand the purpose of life or destiny, and whomever are helping you, especially the parents, will be always having a challenging situation. For instance, father came, he told me that the daughter was trying to write the NEET for medicine. Both the parents were doctor, and as she appeared into the online exam, she said she doesn't want to write, she came out. Now the parents started to feel that whether they are doing a right decision of making the daughter to write the NEET. So I said, let me check the horoscope. I checked the horoscope. It's Dhanus Lagna, the Lagna Lord Jupiter in 8th house. So what has happened? The girl did not have the enough mind essence to go and write the exams. Mind essence manifests as grit, determination, or inner strength, whatever you call it. So I said, let's start doing the rituals. As we do the rituals, the girl will get the energy to finish the exam very easily. So once we started doing the ritual, the inner confidence increased. She appeared for the exam, passed the NEET, and today she is studying for doctor. So the inner grit, determination, self-confidence, concentration, whatever you talk about an individual, that gets lost when the Lagna Lord is very afflicted. If the Lagna Lord is in 6th house, I would say you are your own enemy. Everything will be going good, but with the Lagna Lord in 6th house, you will destroy your entire life. Your thoughts will destroy, your thinking will destroy, your perception will destroy you. The enemy doesn't come from outside. The enemy is within you. So certainly you need rituals to quell these negative thoughts and to clear the energy. Now, what is autism? Autism is nothing but Lagna Lord afflicted and Rahu Ketu with many planets in the Lagna itself. When that happens, autism occurs. That is exactly seen recently with an horoscope, where the child has the Lagna Lord in the 12th house, Mars Ketu in the Lagna. Usually, if that is the combination, it becomes an extreme karmic disease where you have to do the rituals for a long period of time to have some impact. Usually, when the Lagna Lord is afflicted, everything gets delayed. Everything gets postponed. The first time what they do will never work out. It's the second time things will go good, and that will create lot of tension in the family. There will be extra expenses, lot of problems. Lagna Lord in the 8th house, the person cannot have sane mind or a positive mind. Whatever you do, he will always see in the negative sense. And he will not make any decision, nor he will take any decision. He will not they will not listen, or they will not allow others to take a decision, nor they will take a decision. It is just status quo. They put everything. Lagna Lord in 12th house, extreme difficulty to settle in life. I have seen in many horoscopes, Lagna Lord in 12th house, they do the wrong things rightly. They go to the wrong place rightly, get caught, and their life is completely closed. So if your Lagna Lord is not strong, and if you want to know the status of your Lagna Lord, the position of Lagna Lord, connect with me. I'll check your horoscope. Certainly we can find out the pattern, how your life will move, how your destiny will open, what is the purpose of life. This is Jayashree Astrologer talking about Lagna Lord.